This is Tinsley's room. She has a lot of monitoring stuff. There's her little heart rate and all that stuff. Blood pressure. More monitoring stuff. All the things that give her fluid. Look at these little bitty syringes of all the stuff that she gets. She's doing really good though. Got her fluids. Party lights. Little Tinsley. They've got her sedated so she can rest. She was all snuggled in tight, but they went ahead and moved a little bit so she could stretch out. She's doing good. Everything's doing good. She's not on any insulin or blood pressure medicines or anything really. She's doing great. Her lungs are doing good. They're still, twitchy twitch, keeping an eye on her little kidneys as they were underdeveloped because she was a 24-weeker, but so far she's having another really, really good day. So hopefully it'll continue